I sit alone in the dark, yeah. My mind is going bizarre, yeah. Shouldn't have left me alone. I feel it run through my bones. This gon' be a wild night.
Never in my life ever ran this quick. Man, I must've really lost my shit. But everybody knew that this was bound to happen. When everybody's telling me that I should give up rapping. That can't quit cause I'm in too deep. And everybody mad cause I'm trying to do me. I'm a little fucked and I'm out of my head. But I'ma keep this shit going till the day that I'm dead. Hey, run around and get somewhere that's nowhere to find. I got a feeling that I'm losing every piece of my mind. This might sound crazy and I don't know why, but I'm enjoying every single fucking second this time. And I never felt more alive in my life. So I sit back and sip Patron, yeah, right where I belong. And it might feel wrong, but I'm feeling so right. I can't shake the feeling that it's about to happen, that I'ma make a killing. I got dreams and I being in front of millions. I wake up stressed out, yelling at the ceiling, yeah. Where will my life go? Will I ever be on my own? After the last 2 years, seeing how that went, I pray to God that I die old. I signed up for this, but I ignored the cost. Now it's out of control.
Well, here it is, everybody, the new build for the channel. First things first, I just want to say thank you to all you guys for all the support. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be making these videos, but you guys enjoy them, and I enjoy making them for you guys. Like they always say, it's all about the fun of it. Also want to say thanks to Motorsport Hillsboro for helping me put the deal together, and of course my friend who also worked on the deal with me. And hey, he got a sweet 2020 KLX351 camo, as you saw in the beginning of this video. It's gonna be great to roll with a pack of KLXs. And of course I want to thank my family. They've been with me from the very beginning, and they've supported me from the beginning as well. I am super excited to get this build going on that FZ-09. We got some really cool ideas for it. If you guys have any ideas for it, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Any questions you have about it. I hope you all are as excited as I am to have another build on the channel. We got the KLX, the Corvette, the FZ-09 now. It's all about having something different in each of the builds. Hey, do I want to go fast in the car? Take the Corvette. Do I want to hit some twisties? Take the FZ. Do I want to go off-road? Take the KLX. Speaking of the KLX is almost done. The ported head should be done this next week. And the throttle body is on its way back. And yeah, that's going to be pretty exciting when it's done. Shooting for big power. Of course, most of you guys are here for the KLX and enjoy that content. And like I said, I enjoy making all this for you guys. But I have a bunch of content coming with the FZ as well. Build overview, my first ride back from the dealer, pure sound. It's got a sweet competition works exhaust on here that absolutely just, well, pierces your ears, to say the least. But I'm super excited to get going on this build. And hey, it's going to be a fun summer. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the content, KLX, Corvette, FZ-09. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition days don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I would not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walking around with all that moolah, baby girl.